Hello, everybody. How are y'all doing today? I bet you're not as tired as I am. So, anyways, my name is Chad. I'm from Sandy Lake First Nation.
My name is Claudia from Rosa River Anishinaabe First Nation, and we are both from Winnipeg, Manitoba. We are from the Sharing Stories theme team.
We all started to get to know each other, to connect, and bonded through common interests like photography, video production, drawing, and virtual reality.
You've already seen some of the work that we made together, like the 30-second videos shown in between some of the videos today.
We also bonded over our shared love for gathering data, not just through surveys, but also through interviews, one-on-one conversations, coding, and getting the full picture.
Although they can seem time-consuming, these things help us hear your voices, and so we wanted to show you some of the results. Here are the people who came to the Canada We Want conference.
Look at the representation of people from the provinces and territories across Canada.
People spoke more than 14 languages, and people identified with more than 15 ethnicities and racial backgrounds.
By doing the research, we got to see everyone's opinion for the Canada we want. For example, here are the results of our poll from when we asked youth participating in a discussion about changing the voting age. The majority of youth wanted to see the voting age lowered.
During the discussion, we found common issues youth would want a say in. Climate change, education, economics, and housing was discussed in every group.
Through a daily feedback form, people also shared what they learned for the day, how they felt, and how they connected.
For example, someone shared, just because people have different cultures than me, or I don't interact with them, doesn't mean that they do not exist or struggle in their own way.
Another example is, I feel good about today. I was able to open up with a group about a big thing in my life, and it almost feels like my home away from home and a second family.
As you saw, the Canada We Want is a conference full of diversity. Yet these quotes were chosen because they were common themes and feelings shared by a lot of us here this week. This shows that even if we come from different backgrounds, when everyone works together, we are able to be part of the movement for getting the Canada that we want. And the Canada we want is one where diverse stories are shared.